friends, in my previous video, I have explained you that how to keep serial numbers in order even after deleting few rows. In this video, we will learn to get auto-generated serial numbers using aggregate function. We will also learn to maintain the serial numbers in order even after deleting or hiding the rows. I will take 3 examples to explain my topic. In the first example, I will write 1. I will use control key and fill handle to drag. After dragging, you can see I have got the series 1 to 10 in serial order. Now, in the second example, I will use row function. The row function returns the row number for a cell. For example, here C5 is the 5th row in the spreadsheet. So, equal to row. When I will write equal to row, bracket start, bracket close, I will get 5. But what do I need? I want the series to start from 1. Now, I will deduct or subtract 4 from here so that I can get the desired results. I have got 1. I will just double click to get the series. You can see by using both the ways, we have got the serial numbers in order. But what happens if I delete few rows? I will delete few rows to see whether we get the serial numbers in order or not. Now I have deleted few rows. You can see in the first example, the series or the serial numbers are not in order. But in the second example, serial numbers are in order. I will do undo. Now I will hide few rows and to see whether we get the serial numbers in order or not, hide. Now you can see in the first series, the serial numbers are not in order. Even in second series, the serial numbers are not in order. Now I will delete few data from here. You can see the serial numbers are there, but data is not there. So it does not look nice. So to get rid of all these problems, I will use logical if and aggregate function. Here I will write equal to if F5 equals to blank. If F5 is equal to blank. Then if the statement says, I have given the logical test. If the statement is true, then keep E5, which is the current cell, to blank. Otherwise, apply aggregate. Aggregate. Now, here there is a drop-down menu and there are 19 functions. But I will choose function number 3, that is count A. Now, I will put comma. Again, a drop-down menu has appeared. I will use number 5, ignore hidden rows. I will explain that how it is going to help us. Now, I will write F5 to F5 where I will freeze the first F5 function F4. So now the cells are freezed. F5 is freezed. So you can see there nothing is appearing here. But in the formula bar, you can see the formula is there. Now I will drag it. Now you see the formula bar. F5 to F6, F5 to F7, F5 to F8. Corresponding cell, in the corresponding cell, if we write something, the serial number will appear here. Right now, there is nothing. But when I will type the data, the numbers, serial numbers will be generated automatically. Now I am writing Shri, Kiran. I will do this. And now you can see the serial numbers are in order. If I delete few names or few data, you can see the serial numbers are in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will delete few rows to understand whether it works or not. Whether I get the serial numbers in order or not. I have deleted few rows and you can see in the first series, the serial numbers are not in order. Second series, the serial numbers are in order. In the third series, the serial numbers are in order. So it means When we delete few rows, it works. Now I will hide the data. I will hide few rows. Now see, the serial number in the first series not in order, second series not in order, but in the third series, it is in order. You can see the serial numbers are generated automatically against the data, and the series remain in order even after deleting or hiding rows. I hope you will find the video useful. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel.